Add condensed milk to rice and you'll want to make it every day. Let's get started. Place a large pan over medium heat and add 2 tablespoons of butter. Allow the butter to melt slowly, stirring gently until it becomes completely smooth and coats the bottom of the pan. This creates a rich base that gives the rice extra flavor from the very beginning. Now add 1 cup of uncooked rice. Stir it well so every grain is lightly coated with the melted butter. Keep stirring for about a minute. This simple step helps the rice absorb more flavor while giving the finished dessert an even richer taste. Can you guess what we're making today? Leave your guess in the comments before we continue. Next, pour in enough water to completely cover the rice. Give it 1 gentle stir, then place the lid on the pan. Let the rice cook over medium-low heat until it's tender and has absorbed most of the water. This is the foundation of our creamy dessert. So be patient and let the rice cook properly. While the rice finishes cooking, don't forget to tell me what city you're watching from. I love seeing where everyone is joining us from. And I might feature your name in one of our upcoming videos. Today's special shout out goes to Emma Johnson from Sydney, Australia. Thank you so much for watching and for being part of our amazing community. I'm so happy you're enjoying our recipes. Once the rice is soft, remove the lid and add 2 cups of sweetened condensed milk. Stir slowly and thoroughly until every grain is coated in the creamy mixture. As you mix, you'll notice the dessert becoming smoother and richer. Now pour in 2 cups of heavy cream. Continue stirring gently until everything is fully combined. The heavy cream gives this dessert its luxurious, silky texture and makes every spoonful incredibly creamy. At this point, you'll already notice an amazing aroma filling your kitchen. The mixture will begin to thicken as it cooks, and every stir will make it look even creamier. Keep the heat low to prevent sticking, and stir occasionally to maintain a smooth consistency. Cover the pan once again and allow the dessert to cook for a few more minutes. This gives the flavors time to blend together while the mixture reaches the perfect creamy texture. Now remove the lid and give everything 1 final stir. Look at how thick, smooth, and glossy it has become. The rice should be perfectly tender, and the mixture should easily coat your spoon without being too runny. For the finishing touch, add 1 cup of milk powder. Sprinkle it in gradually while stirring continuously, so it dissolves completely without forming lumps. This final ingredient adds an extra layer of creamy dairy flavor and gives the dessert an even richer finish. Once everything is perfectly mixed, carefully transfer the dessert into a serving dish. Smooth the surface with a spoon to give it a beautiful presentation. Finally, sprinkle a light layer of milk powder over the top. This simple garnish not only makes the dessert look more appealing, but also adds another delicious burst of creamy flavor with every bite. And that's it. Your homemade creamy rice dessert is ready to enjoy. Serve it warm for a comforting treat or chill it in the refrigerator for a few hours if you prefer a colder, pudding-like texture. Either way, it's rich, smooth, and incredibly satisfying. If you enjoyed this recipe, let me know in the comments, what's your favorite dessert to make for your family? I'd love to hear your answers. And don't forget to save this recipe so you can make it again. Whenever you're craving something sweet and comforting,